SBEV, stock analysis and price predictions for tomorrow and onward. Is it a buy? Well, watch this 2-minute video till the end to find out. In the last 5 years, made I've documented 49,000 trades and market analysis on the channel. And with all the data, I've seen what's making me money and what's losing me money. Just very, very briefly want to say, SBEV is just melting, like purely just first glance worthless market, but I'm gonna get definitely into it a little bit deeper, just to kind of show you that I do have a lot of receipts right here, the receipts in the Discord. The 2-hour chart market's gone down. 1-hour chart is how things are looking like. Let's mark out the top. Although like we could be pumping, you know, whatever. Most of the market is down, so is SBEV, like 5% today. Looking at this 5-minute chart though, like there's just, even though like we could anticipate these as the new targets, a lower time frame, we could definitely play something. These candles, this sort of liquidity, not something I'm playing, right? So just gonna put a big X just so that I know, you know, worthless market to trade as of right now. But like it, not following my rules. If you want to get my exact 3-step technical strategy that I've refined over the last 5 years, it's still printing for me. Just click the first link in the description. It's free. Bye-bye.